that 24th at the CA.R.E. Hotel in Machakos. All healthcare providers are welcome.
As much as most of the
it's my pleasure to officially declare this conference open. Thank you so much.
then I do an inhaler technique. So that pop is what you want to appreciate more than the air, because sometimes the air is not too much to the sound. So the pop is like so that is how it will come about. You see how fine that is? Easy to go to the lungs. It's the same nebulization, but this is silent. It is silent, good for geriatrics, good for children. Unaweza connect na mask for kids. Mwana mtoto wenye wana effort na unataka ku make a feel, you do this. So not even
until hiyo katembe kaisha. You see, hakuna anything else. You see, it's empty. This is used for the COPD patient. Yes. Because COPD and asthma, they are two different things, remember. COPD, makumbuka yao iko restricted. Yes. So as you give this, you also have to give it another ICS, like Foralin, ama Tioba. You don't give this alone. Any question?
Yeah, but it's true. What are some things in a patient who has a penetrating chest wound? Let us see one. Or slide on top of the third. We want to hear good pop sound. Nidoli yako ishatoka, unaona? So una advance na branch la shika kama dati. Acha tusikie kama hewa itatoka. Toa shindani. Keep pumping. The patient keeps breathing. Yes. You can hear it. Good. Unataka kufanya?
It delivers the shock, and mouth senses are actually created and designed not just for adults, but also for pediatrics. Alright? So it's important to understand that, because by the time you
Shock delivered.
So can you see them? Try going in. Good. We are here, we are a team, we are doing well. You've taken too long. Let's try see whether you're in. Yeah, now we can check on the screen. It's not display the time yet.
This one is 1 second from the large airway.
Don't leave the stage. Uliendaje?